Hi guys, welcome in a weekend in my life as a content creator. I'm literally just done with work. I'm now in the car, ready to drive home, and this is where my weekend starts. Hi guys, we are in the city and I'm so hungry, so we are going to make a stop at a Japanese bakery to get some snacks before dinner. We also have some samples. This is the black sesame flavor. This is the yuzu flavor. So soft. Okay, I have one yuzu cheesecake and one ube cheesecake. Let's do a little taste test. I'm going to start with the yuzu cheesecake. It's nice and sour. It's really good. It has a nice cheesecake flavor, but also yuzu flavor. Let's try the ube. Very interesting. I think I like the yuzu better. Kind of has a potato texture, which throws me off. I have to get used to it. Okay, last bite, because I also have to save my appetite for later today. It's such a nice weather today. Okay, it's 7:30 already, so we have to go because we are going to eat dim sum. Good morning guys, it's the next morning. It's a beautiful sunny day and it's my free day, so today I'm going to make content and I'm going to start the day off with a skincare video. I usually make my skincare videos in the bathroom, so I'm going to take this with me because I have no windows in my bathroom. The bathroom light is not bad, but I still need a ring light. And I actually use two ring lights, but I'm going to show you my setup. So this is my setup for my skincare videos. The skincare video that I have in mind is a Korean viral skincare video. This is some of the products that I use the most. I definitely want to use this rice toner. As a first step, I don't wash my face with a cleanser in the morning because my skin is very dry. So this is step one. Then of course I have to use the snail mucin. Then the next step is a serum. I'm not sure if I want to use this one or the Beauty of Yosun Glow Serum. They both contain niacinamide, so it's very good for dark spots. But I don't know which one is more popular. I think I'm just going to search on TikTok right now to see which one is more popular. So I think I'm getting the most of the Beauty of Yosun. The next step after serum is moisturizer, and I want to use the Sun-Young 2x Barrier Intensive Cream, and of course you can't forget sunscreen. And I love the Beauty of Yosun sunscreen. So usually I like to let my skincare soak into my skin and do its work before applying makeup. And in the meantime, I'm going to edit my TikTok. Caramel almond milk iced coffee. Now it's time to do our makeup. So today we are going to a little food market with some friends, and I am planning to make a little TikTok day in the life vlog. Maybe I'm also going to work out today, and then I also have some packages that I need to unpack. So I'm going to do that right after my makeup. So I have this Alicia Cushion foundation. I have to push this to get product out. I'm just using this as concealer because it's too light for me. For the longest time I've always done my makeup in the bathroom, but I feel like the lighting in the bathroom is not really representative to the daylight, so sometimes it might look a little bit cakey. Now I do it with direct sunlight from the window. Look at this Clio palette, it's so cute. They give you these stickers and this palette so you can decorate it yourself, and it's so adorable. I just finished editing a video, so now I'm going to post it. I usually post in the morning. I can see in my analytics when my followers are the most active, and that is increasing after 11 AM, so that's usually when I upload. Now that that's posted, it's time to unbox some packages. It's over there. So these are the packages that I received. I feel so grateful to be able to receive all these packages and free products. It was always my dream to do an unboxing with packages that I received. If younger me would see me right now, she would scream. This is for my collaboration with Isn't Oh, hyaluronic acid watery sun gel, but I actually already have this from another PR, so I think I'm just going to give this away. I have this hyaluronic acid airy sun stick. This is so great for summer because you can just reapply your sunscreen over your makeup. I have some aqua gel cream, also hyaluronic acid, and I also have toner, also hyaluronic acid. These 4 products from Isn't. Next, I also have some products from Axis Y. I literally love this brand, so I made a video about their sunscreen. By the way, I got this campaign from being a Yes Style influencer. So when you're a Yes Style influencer, sometimes they invite you to do a campaign, and I got selected, so that's why I got these products. You can become a Yes Style influencer very fast. You can just apply. I also have a link in the description down below where you can apply to become a Yes Style influencer. They don't really have strict criteria, so you can become a Yes Style influencer very fast, and then you can choose 1 free product per month where you have to make a video about. If you also want to do content creation and receive free products, I definitely recommend that you become a Yes Style influencer. You can get free products, you make a video about the product, and then you just get more exposure. For example, I made a video about the Axis Y sunscreen for Yes Style, and through that video, Axis Y contacted me directly to ask if they could send me more products. So definitely check that out, and you would also support me if you use my link in the description down below, so I would really appreciate it. But if you don't want to use that link and just search it out yourself, it's also fine, don't feel pressured. And they wanted to send me 3 products, but 1 was sold out, so now I just got 2 products. The glow serum, this is my holy grail. I love this product. And the sunscreen, this is literally the sunscreen where I made a video about, and they sent it to me again. I was really looking forward for their spot treatment, so I'm quite sad that it's sold out, but oh well. I already have both these products and I love them, so I think I'm also going to give them away. I am going to make a video about it to show my appreciation that I got these, and I literally love these. This is also a package from Korea. I don't know which brand this is. Oh, this is for my collaboration with Anwa, also a Korean skincare brand. So I have the niacin serum Anwa Peach. I also have this clear pad. Are these the... I think these are the toner pads. Toner pads, you know, the pads that you put on your face for toning your face, and then you leave it for a couple of minutes. Wow. I'm so excited to use these. a calming cream, sun cream, a toner, pore control cleansing oil. I don't have a cleansing oil yet, I only have a cleansing balm and some gel cleansers. So this is my first oil cleanser. Last package. It's so pretty. This is the BTS shampoo. It's a shampoo and a hair treatment. And this is Koya, which is representative for RM BTS member. So I'm so excited to use this. It's so cute. I also received some skincare. We have two brands in here. Grail is an online web shop for skincare. They sent me two brand kits to try out. So I have 3 products from Ilso. The mild cleansing oil, so now I have 2 cleansing oils. The nose pad and a sunscreen. And from House of Doa I have the Rice brand toner, a Rice wash of facial mask, Rice brand facial moisturizer, and a Rice sheet mask. So excited to try them all out. Thanks to all the brands and the shops that sent me these products. So excited and I feel so grateful. My biggest tip for people who also want to receive these products is to just make videos, just produce videos, use the skincare products that you already have and just make videos about it, expose yourself. The more exposure, the more chance you have that Breach will see your video and will reach out to you.
What was it? The steak. Or the coffee eten.
So I actually wanted to go work out this evening, but I'm so tired, my legs are tired. So I'm going to skip tonight and just work out tomorrow. But I'm still going to make another TikTok video about my night skincare routine. And then after that I'm just going to chill. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow. This morning I'm going to make a PR video for April Eye. These are colored contact lenses that I received. And after that I'm going to Amsterdam because I got invited to eat some soup dumplings and make content. So that's what I'm going to do. This is my little setup right here, right in front of the window, because window light is the best. I'm done filming. These are the lenses that I'm going to wear today. It is Tipsy Gray and I really like it. Now I'm going to change my clothes because I'm still in my PJs and head to Amsterdam. Just got home from Amsterdam. I'm very tired, so I think I'm going to take a nap. I'm now editing footage from today. Then I also have to edit some collab videos. So I'm all ready for the upcoming week to have enough videos in my draft to post. So I don't have to worry about filming any videos throughout the week because often I'm too tired to film videos after work. So in the weekend I make sure I have enough draft videos to upload throughout the week. So now I'm just editing.